Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a very simple hairstyle. If this is your first time of coming across the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Please do wait to give this video a thumbs up, share it so that it will reach more people, and don't forget to drop your view at the comment section. Thank you. So I'll start by parting the hair, and I'm going to part it into 3 places. So after that, I'll start sectioning the hair from the front part. First of all, I'll divide the front part into 2 equal halves, as you can see me doing right now. After that, I'll start sectioning it to get that star shape at the front. So I'll braid the roots of the hair, just a little braid, before I'll start twisting it. Please do wait to watch this video to the end so that you'll see how I was able to achieve that style. So I'll continue to twist it to the tip of the hair. So this is what we were able to achieve. See how beautiful it is. What do you think about the hairstyle? Drop your view at the comment section. If you have watched this video till now, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.